How do we turn underutilized machine tools into high-performance engines for customer satisfaction? Translators have been around for a long time, but NC programmers still struggle with data. Data comes from many sources, and the sooner that data can be usefully programmed, the better. Working with wireframe, surfaces, and solids data is a key to quick turnarounds. These multiple data sources sometimes carry overlaps or gaps between surfaces, twisted surfaces, missing details, and so forth. Model edits are required to clean up these kinds of data issues. Also, model edits can improve the programming process by removing non-machined features or providing surface extensions and other guidance geometry. And no matter the edits, the NC program still needs to be able to update. CamExpress includes a full suite of model editing tools, so required changes can be made quickly and effectively in the CAM system. These tools include the groundbreaking synchronous modeling capabilities. Synchronous modeling makes it much easier for an NC programmer to handle model problems without having to wait for iterations from the customer. In addition to edits, it's important to keep the NC program associative to the model geometry. Changes from the customer or changes due to model edits need to impact the NC program. CamExpress is fully associative and can even process automatic updates from NX and Solid Edge models. Model editing is an important component of a total NC programming capability. Not only are data integrity issues important to address, but edits can also improve machining around features like these white faces that will be created by another process such as EDM. This mold core for a piece of the touchpad control will require some EDM work to finish some of the features, so adjusting the model for machining will make the programming easier and the results much better suited to the process. CamExpress includes a suite of model editing functions. We'll use a patch opening tool from the Model Edit toolbar to quickly skin over some of the small features that will be ignored during machining. It's a simple matter to select faces and boundaries to get a smooth patch. Several of the small features here will benefit from a similar treatment. We can also make very quick changes to some of the details on the side of the core using the groundbreaking synchronous modeling capability. Synchronous modeling lets us select and manipulate features of the part using intelligent selection that maintains topological relationships without requiring an underlying CAD feature. These kinds of edits work on any data and make it possible to very quickly improve the model for NC programming without any need to understand or modify the original underlying CAD feature construction. Without synchronous modeling tools, these kinds of edits would almost certainly require an additional exchange of source data from the customer. More likely, these kinds of edits would simply not be performed, causing the NC program to work around the features in a less direct way. This impacts programming speed and, more importantly, the quality of the programs produced. Because all kinds of data types are usable, NC programming can be started sooner with less time spent working the CAD data. 2D wireframe, surfaces, and solids are all able to proceed directly to programming. Model editing in CamExpress features the groundbreaking synchronous modeling and works quickly on foreign data, removing cycles with a customer and producing better programs. Data flexibility gets your projects done faster and makes you more responsive than ever to your customers' requirements. So how do we turn underutilized machine tools into high-performance engines for customer satisfaction? The Siemens answer: PLM software for small businesses to increase machine tool utilization by 20%.